Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I've come here again to Al Qaria auction, which is where I came last week to again shoot a video on the available cars today, which is Friday 29th July. So every 1 or 2 days they change their car collection, and today they have really a nice collection of cars and I just couldn't resist, so I came here to shoot a video and show you guys how today is gonna go. Like, all right, let's get started.
Exclusive.
Here we got a Range Rover Velar with a front accident. As you can see over here, it got hit on the front side. Probably a pole or hit a wall or something, just hit it from the front side. I have my friend, he's sitting inside the car and he's just checking it out. And the good part of this car is that it doesn't even have any airbag damage. Look how clean it is. Like, there's no roof airbag, no knee airbag. It's a clean car. It's just with the front hit. I think the sensors did not alert the airbag system. That's why it didn't blow up. So it's going to save you lots of money because you're not going to have to spend money on the airbag. هذا 2021 مضروبة airbag. So this car, my friend said it got hit and the airbag got deployed. And the best part is that the screen is lit. I mean, I think the keys are nearby. المفتاح قريب صح؟ عشان كده. So we can have a look at how many kilometers this car has went. And as you can see over here, it's giving us a number of errors. وين الصدمة أصلاً؟ أمامية؟ So this is where the accident is. 2021 Mercedes Benz front side. الكبوت مضروب. ايش ثاني مضروب توقع؟
في عندك دعامية، في عندك اللايت.
دعامية، لايت. يعني although overall condition it's really beautiful. There's nothing else besides the front hit. It's GLC 300 black color, amazing color. What do you think about this car? 2011 C class. هذه AMG ولا عادية؟ It's a C300 for Matic with rear end damage on this side. It's the only damage on this car. Otherwise, this car is safe. There's nothing else wrong with it. It's full option with the sunroof, and no airbag has been deployed inside. As you can see, it's clean car. 2011 model. Okay, هنا عندنا we have here Mercedes Benz C300. محمد ايش رايك في السيارة هذه؟
سيارة حلوة كتير، سي 300 مرسيدس فور ماتيك، لون أسود، حلوة كتير. عندك كروم على داير السيارة. سيارة جميلة جدا من الداخل، جاي لون بيج لون أسود، فيها اير باكات، تفصيلة حلوة. موديل السيارة معانا هون 2019. السيارة سليمة، فيها فتحة زقف، سيارة بانوراما. في عندك هون الجير اوتوماتيك بشكل رهيب جدا، جميل بشكل دائري. طبعا فيها كثير ميزات. عندك شاشة، الستيرنج، التفصيلات اللي فيها فول اكشن. سيارة حلوة كثير. موضوع الدعم هون
هذه السيارة أمريكية. تعرف أمريكية من هذه العلامة البرتقالية؟
تمام.
تعرف هذه السيارة أمريكية، وارد أمريكا. والحادث
حادث السيارة سليم.
حادث هنا طرف الشاسيه؟
ما فيها شاسيه، لا. في عندك اللايت، عندك دعامية، وعندك البونت، وعندك الرفرف. هدول بس بدهم
يعني
تبديل
وصبغ.
يعني
تصليحها بحصل كم يعني؟
فينا نقول تقريبا شيء 2500.
2500 تصليحها؟
تمام، مع صبغ، سمكرة، ميكانيك، كله كامل هون. من دون قطع السامان، قطع الغيار. السيارة هون بتكون بإذن الله سليمة 100%، كاملة جاهزة مكملة. لا ما
Here we have a Toyota Camry. This maroon reddish colors looks so beautiful. As you can see, the damage is on the front side, front right side. Damage includes a fender, and the hood includes front bumper. This is the water tank for the wipers. I think it's all gone. توقع في حادث في الشاسي؟
والله فيها شاسيه يا معلم. فيها شاسيه.
اوكي.
عندك شاسيه هون مدعوم هذا بده تعديل 100%. عندك دعاميه، عندك الشبك، عندك البونيت، عندك الرفرف، عندك اللايت، عندك الدبه. هذا كله بده تبديل مع صبغ. طبعا فرن صبغ لازم يكون وكاله 100% مشان يطلع السياره 100% ان شاء الله وتطلع السياره سليمه. لازم شاسيه تعديل عشان تنجح كمان عندك بالمرور. سياره سليمه من الداخل ان شاء الله. اللون حلو كتير.
As you can see inside, no airbag damage. It's clean. I mean, just look at the interior, how mint it looks like. So what you gotta do is you gotta repair the front side of the car, and you're gonna have a good 2020 Toyota Camry limited edition. As you can see over here, this is all the damages included in this car. It has a bit of damage on the rear bumper, but not that much. And it's already tinted. It has a black tint, as you can see, and it's imported from USA. That's how it is. My friend over here, Mohammed from Syria, he's a car expert. He tells all information because he has a garage over here, and he really gives expert advice on cars. He's more comfortable speaking the Arabic language as compared to English. Anybody who has any inquiries about cars, about anything, he's the main guy. He's a car expert over here. Alright guys, so that was today's content. I really hope you enjoyed today's cars. As I said, I like to shoot different kind of cars, different kind of collections. So today that was for Al-Qaria. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and see you guys in the next video. Until next time.